just enough cause to band together and realize there's no race but the human one. Is there still